Okay, problem number 1 tells us that we're going to multiply fractions. So I have 3/5 times 2/5. And the rule is that just multiply straight across. So 3 times 2 is 6. 5 times 5 is 25. And there's no number other than 1 that I can divide 6 and 25 by. So that is in simplest form. So that's my final answer. Number 2, it says reduce 10 over 40, which means I need to find the greatest common factor of 10 and 40, which would be 10. That's the largest number that I can divide both of those by. So 10 divided by 10 would be 1. 40 divided by 10 would be 4. So now that's in simplest form. So my answer is going to be 1 over 4. Number 3 says circle the numerator and put a box around the denominator. Well, the numerator is on top, denominator is on the bottom. I'm just going to label these. There are 2 pictures on the wall. One is 12 by 4, the other one is 9 by 6. Which one is larger? So to find the area of these pictures, I just multiply 12 times 4, which is 48 inches squared. Then the other one is 9 by 6. 9 times 6 is 54 inches squared. So now I'm just comparing, well, what's bigger, 48 or 54? The 54 inches squared is bigger, so the 9 by 6 picture is the bigger one. To find the area of a shape, multiply the length by the width by the height. That's false. Area is length times width. And then actually volume is length times width times height. Number 6, how many quarters are in $8? Well, $1 is going to equal 4 quarters. So to figure out how many are going to be in $8, I would do 8 times 4, which is 32. So there's going to be 32 quarters in $8. Number 7, which of these could be the length of a bandage? Meters is too big, millimeters would be too small, kilometers would be too big. So 3 inches would be the most reasonable answer for that. Problems 8 through 10, we got to decide which one's greater than or less than, or are they equal. So 10% of 200. So we got 0.10 times 200, which is going to be 20. 50% of 100 is going to be 50. So which is bigger, 20 or 50? Well, 50 is, so 50% of 100 is going to be bigger. Number 9, 1 to the 99th power is just going to be 1, because you're just multiplying 1 by itself 99 times. And then you have 0.9 with a line over it, which is just the 9 keeps repeating. So what's bigger, 1 or 0.9 repeating? Well, the 1 is bigger, so 1 to the 99th power is bigger than 0.9 repeated. Square root of 51 square root of 51 is going to be 7.14. So what's bigger, 7.14 or 7? Well, 7.14 is going to be a little bigger. So the square root of 51 is a little bigger than 7.